Hello everyone. Today we will see a block print collection across different textures. Block printing can be done on different textures like Maheshwari, Chanderi, Tassar, organza. Block printing technique requires a lot of patience. It's a skillful job. It gives a completely new story to a fabric. So let's begin with the collection. The one which I am wearing is the Maheshwari hand block printed sari with the Ganga Jamna border. This is again Maheshwari sari with hand block printed, all over hand block printed booty with this beautiful pallu. Sari has a contrast cherry stripe blouse and the big hand block printed motifs on the border. This is again different combination in the Maheshwari only. This is the Ganga Jamna Maheshwari sari, Ganga Jamna border with the block printing all over. This is the pallu of the sari, and the sari has the plain running blouse. Sorry, plain blouse, not block printed. This is again a Maheshwari sari with the block printed design. This is the pallu of the sari. Sari has a contrast blouse. This is a blouse, and sari has all over block printed booty. It's a beautiful block printed, hand block printed booty. This is the black. This is the black Maheshwari Ganga Jamna border. This is the pallu of the sari. And sari has a plain blouse. This is the same sari with a different combination of Ganga Jamna border. This is the pallu and the plain blouse, contrast blouse. The beautiful motifs on the border. This is organza sari, organza silk sari with the gold hand block printing design all over. This is the blouse of the sari. This is the pallu, and all over sari is like this. A beautiful sari, beautiful piece. This is again another combination in the silver and gold print, organza silk. This is the blouse of the sari. This is the sari. And this is the pallu. This is the Chanderi hand block printed sari. Saris with the contrast blouse, which is all over hand block printed. This is the pallu of the sari, and all over sari is like this. This is a rust orange in color with contrast blouse. This is the pallu of the sari. The body of the sari is like this. This is a cream color sari with all over hand block printed design. The sari is with contrast blouse. And all over the sari is like this. This is the pallu of the sari. This is a turquoise teal blue color. You can say teal blue color, darker shade with hand block printed contrast color. This is the blouse of the sari. All these are Chanderi saris which are hand block printed. This is a lighter green shade with the contrast black blouse. And the all over sari is like this. So these are some hand block printed saris on different textures. If you want to buy a sari, you can just visit our website. I'm giving the link of all these saris in the description box. So we will meet in the next video very soon. Bye.